did these mortises on this half of the split top. I was really struggling. I had myself braced and I was holding the router like this, and it was a fight the whole way, and it was burning I mean, cherry burns, you know, pretty easily anyway, but it was burning bad. It was like smoking. And I knew my router bit was dull, but I guess I didn't realize how dull it was. I took my router bits to be sharpened. I had 3 of them that were all the same size and the same style, that upcut spiral, or no, downcut spiral bit. I always get those mixed up. And I took them to get sharpened. They're hopefully getting done right now. But I knew I wouldn't, you know, be able to go any farther without a new one, so I went ahead and bought another one. Now I have 4. But I bought a good, really good one. I bought a white side. Not that the others weren't, you know, good router bits, but I've heard really, really good things about white side. And time will tell as I use it. But I got to tell you, the difference when I put it in and I did my first mortise on this other top over here, it was cutting through it like butter, and I was just like, oh my gosh, that other router bit was so dull. So anyway, I saved the last one so that I could record it and you could see it, and I'll show you that now. Oh, but first, I gotta put this back down. This is so satisfying.